Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can extract an audio from a video on CapCut PC. So just select your footage here and drag it to the timeline, right click, and then just select separate audio and delete that. Or you can go to audio here and go to extracted audios. Import a video that has the sound, of course. I'm just going to select, hopefully this one has audio, and then just click it and then just add it to track, and then you have this audio extracted from that video. And yeah, that is basically how you can extract an audio from video in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!